Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Nespresso Vertuo Pop Plus by Delonghi and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's two reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If your coffee maker is not acting right or it seems to be just not working, not making coffee the way it's supposed to based on your configurations and stuff like that, and you want to get it set back and working again, this can fix a lot of those issues. The other reason is if you just want to have it forget everything that all the settings you've put into it and everything like that, so that you can start fresh as if you were just taking this coffee maker out of the box, we can do this really quite easily. All you need to do is your coffee maker first of all, needs to be plugged in. So once it's plugged in, you're going to have this in the unlocked position, and you're going to open the top and then reclose the top. Leaving it in the unlocked position, once you do that, you're just going to come in on the coffee button and you're going to, in 5 times, quickly press the button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Basically, you have 3 seconds to press the button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you do that within 3 seconds, that will initiate a factory reset of this coffee maker.